Guys, you heard that right. I'm actually being serious about this. We're gonna be trying to get Windows 98 on our actual car. So here's the car. This is a 20 Tesla Model Y, and it's not gonna be some before y'all. I know y'all probably wondering this. Is it gonna be like, how are we gonna do this? Is this gonna be like a external like PC that you're just connected to the mock screen, or is it gonna be like a remote desktop or a cloud PC? No, it's gonna be on the actual hardware itself. Yep, I'm gonna try like it's gonna be almost natively, but everything will be emulated. I'm gonna emulate it on the actual hardware. So let's get inside and show you my setup. Look at this. I got the whole laptop to actually capture with OBS open. Got my microphone and I got my camcorder set up in the back. Yo, but it's gonna be all worth it. Actual setup. So let's get started. So on the infotainment, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open up the web browser. I'll go to copy.sh. So this is actually like the virtual machine app, the online x86 emulator. I'm gonna click on v86, go down, and look at all these versions. I'm gonna definitely try all of them, but let's just start with 195 first. Leave, and I mean 98. Then I'm gonna go to ME, then all these NT versions 2000 in future videos. But let's just start from the bottom first to see what's possible. All right, Windows 98, make it full screen. Okay, so far we're seeing like a white line. Oh, it's downloading the images. It's downloading the images. So far it's Dude, what? Dude, did we just get it? No way. No way. Yo, what? It's that simple? We just got Windows 98 running on a car. I just got Windows 98. It was that simple? Are we serious right now? Okay, well, it's pulling up like a keyboard every time I try touching anything, though. Yeah, if I try touching anything, it just pulls up with the keyboard. I don't know, maybe just not make it like full screen. Is that possible? But dude, what? Can I restart? Okay. What happens if we restart? Windows 9. We got the boot screen. We got the Windows 98 boot screen. This is literally the easiest thing ever, dude. I was expecting it to be way harder, but this is like the easiest thing ever. What? Restart. Oh, did the web browser just freeze up? The web browser just froze up. Okay, we ran into our first issue. The web browser is frozen. Yeah, here's a trick I have to you can't like force close apps, so you have to go into here. You have to, I think, go down to like changing the language. Changing the language, I think, actually restarts it, so I'm just turning it off. So we go down here, touch the language. Let's just change to Spanish, and now it's gonna reboot. Okay, I'm gonna change the language back to English now. Okay, open up the web browser again. Go back to Windows 98. Okay, it just loads instantly. Okay, guys, so welcome to Windows 98 on a car. Open the start menu here. We got the start menu showing. Does sound work? Let's try playing the Microsoft sound. If sound works, we got the Windows Media Player open. That was amazing, dude. Sound works somehow. My mouse cursor is just as here, but dude, sound works. Sound actually works. Oh, it's locked up. I think it's locked up again. Okay, let's see what else we can get working now. 680 by 480. But does gestures work? I don't think gestures work at all. Internet Explorer, we're gonna test that out later. Let's open the start menu. Well, let's try running some games. What games do we have? Do we have any games? We actually got games. Solitaire. Let's play some Solitaire on Windows 98. on a car. This is gonna take forever to load. This is actually gonna take forever to load. Oh my god. Wait, that was actually fast. What? That was fast. Okay. So, how do I actually move though? Cause like, I don't think I can move a piece. Oh, the web browser just froze again. Yep, because the car UI worked, but the web browser I can't interact it again. I think I have another way I could access a different web browser. If we go here, we go to the Tesla theater. In the theater, where I open up YouTube. This is like another web browser thing, but this might actually work. Okay, so I just put the link to copy.sh on my website. So from here, will this work now? Oh, there we go. Let's go. We got copy.sh now on the YouTube app on Tesla. Hopefully this changes something. I don't know how different this is from just a web browser app, but let's see. So go back to v86. Oh boy. Okay, fine. Windows 98 again. Here, it's doing that same thing. Oh my god, this is annoying. Okay, so Windows 98 is back though, and that's all that matters. We can change the scale. We can change the scale. We can change the scale. Wait, what? Did it just freeze again? It just froze again. It just froze again. Okay, I think the only thing that will work is just the normal web browser then. We're gonna go to settings, control panel. Sure, why not? Let's open up the control panel. The Solitaire, I don't think it's possible to play games on here, but yeah, I mean, again, we've already accomplished what we're doing in the video. The video is not over there, you know. We still have a long way to go in this video. Like, we're gonna be exploring stuff, but like, right now, I can say for sure this was successful. So, oh, okay, control panel. We got the control panel. Make this full screen. And it's frozen again. Let's just continue it. Windows 98, sure, why not? It's not gonna be in Spanish anyway, but okay, back in 98. There we go. Okay, what else should we look at? Notepad. Let's open up Notepad. Oh my god, it is so slow right now. Look how slow this is. Accessories. Notepad. There we go, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit like, subscribe, and comment. Okay. Can we save the document? Can we save it? Oh my god, I just played the warning sound. It's actually playing all the sounds. Oh, and it's frozen again. It's frozen again. Frozen again. Time to change the language again. Internet Explorer. Let's try browsing the internet. Let's try browsing the internet on a web browser on a car. Dude, what? And we're using copy the SH's website. Like, it's like preset there. If this actually works. Full screen it here. It is insanely slow. I wonder how Windows 2000 is gonna go. We might do a 2000 next. Even Vista, okay, of 98, this bad, Vista will be even worse. This page can't be like, yeah, I expected that. But dude, imagine how Windows Vista will be. And yes, I will actually try Vista and even XP. Dude, the next video will be 2000, by the way. That's gonna be like the next video on the series. Trying to get Windows 2000 on a car. Frozen again, okay. Okay guys, that's gonna actually be it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. This was a success. So yeah guys, that was pretty awesome. Windows 98 on a car, but let's take a tour of this car now. Let's just show y'all guys a quick tour of all interesting. So cool door handle automatically opens, but I don't have the car unlocked right now. I'm gonna unlock it later, but folding side mirrors, cameras everywhere around the car. There's a headlight. This is the front of the car, so this opens up and there's cargo space in the car. And out here, let me just tap this. That's the charge port of the Tesla. This is where you actually charge the car itself. So again, this is an electric car. Let's get inside. With my phone, and it automatically opens the car with my phone key. So I do this, car opens itself. It's interior. Getting inside, it's very easy. So very nice interior. You got your large screen here. These two things are phone wireless chargers. Open this, you get cargo space. Here's the center console of the car. Here's your actual horn itself. Rear view mirror is kind of a cabin lighting, hazards. You got your, I forgot what you call this, but like some kind of sunshade I think you call it. But then this opens up and there's like a little mirror here with lights. Got another one here. Giant sunroof. Those are the rear seats. Let's hop in the back. Why not? You also have bunch of speakers around the car. And there is heated seats all over the car as well. Even the rear middle seat is heated, 3-stage. Now here's the rear seats. As you can see, it just looks very nice, very good. More cabin lighting, and this thing goes down and reveals a hook. More vents here. And USB-C charging ports. This comes down with the armrest and 2 more cup holders. And there's the rear cargo space. You have tons of space around the car. And this button just opens the car again. Automatic roll down windows as well. So yeah, there you have it, folks. That was Windows 98 on a car. Windows 2000 is gonna be next. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and until then, guys, peace out.